Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Dhaka Secondary School online classes. This is your first lecture for the month of October in English literature. Today we are going to start with the story The Star Child by Oscar Wilde, taken from your storybook. Long ago, two poor woodcutters were going home through a great forest. It was winter. There was thick snow on the ground and on the branches of the trees. Suddenly a strange thing happened. A very bright and beautiful star fell from the sky. The woodcutters ran towards it and found a golden coat covered with silver stars. What was inside? There was a little child and who was asleep. They were very disappointed. One of the woodcutters said, "Let us leave it here." But his friend answered, "No, it would be an evil thing to leave this child here to die in the snow. I will take it home with me, and my wife shall look after it." So the star child grew up with the woodcutter's children, and every year he became more and more beautiful to look at. Yet his beauty did him no good, for he became proud and cruel. One day a poor beggar woman passed through the village. When the star child saw her, he threw stones at her and laughed at her. When she told her that she was his mother, he treated her badly and refused to go with her. So the woman went away into the forest. But God became very angry with the star child and punished him. He became ugly, and his face turned into a face of a toad, and his body covered with scales like the skin of a snake. He realized his mistake and went in search of his mother to ask for forgiveness. He asked everyone about his mother and searched her everywhere, but he could not find her. One day, when he was searching for his mother, he was caught by the soldiers and was sold to a cruel magician who made him a slave. The magician put him in prison and beat him, and asked the star child to bring 3 pieces of gold, that is, yellow gold, silver gold, and red gold from the forest. So the star child went into the forest, where he saw a rabbit. The rabbit talked to him and agreed to help him. And so with the help of the rabbit, he found the gold pieces. But every time when he returned with gold, a beggar used to ask him for money, and he used to give the gold piece to him. The third time when he gave the gold pieces to the poor beggar, he saw the poor beggar woman in the crowd. So he ran after the beggar woman and asked for forgiveness. He washed her feet with his tears. She forgave him, and then he saw suddenly that she was the queen, and the beggar was the king. Actually, they were his parents. He was very happy to find them. Everyone bowed in front of him, and the star child became the king of that city. Hope you have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.